Welcome to MEL English Part 2, Consonants and Vowels with Pronunciation. If you haven't seen Part 1, please use the link in the description to view that video now. Without further ado, let's get to the pronunciations. B, boy, tab, b, d, dog, had, d, this, that, with, the, just, age, fit, enough, gone, leg, how, you, cat, break, laugh, roll, mom, noon, sang a song, pat, hop, right, soon, less, shine, wash, top, hat, think, path, chime, catch, violin, have, why, zebra, was, azure, rouge, Here's a chart of the consonants we just covered. These consonants appear all throughout MEL English voice banks. They are present as initial consonants, final consonants, CV sounds, and VC sounds. Optional consonants you can record for MEL English include D and H. A download link for this add-on pack containing those sounds exists in the description. D, butter, whatever, d, hue. Next, let's go over the vowels. E, see, please, she, e, I, sit, isn't, this, I, bet, letter, check, apple, that, cat, but, what, cup, you, soon, true, put, took, or, more, toy, bought, or, father, bought, tall, bird, were, her, These vowels occur throughout the entire voice bank as starting V, median V, and ending V, and are present in CV and VC sounds. The following sounds occur only once in standard MEL banks. There is an optional diphthong add-on pack for MEL English voice banks, and I'll link it in the description. O, snow, those, clothes, ow, how, now, cow, ow, I, I, Y, my, lie, I, a, stay, way, hey, a, oi, boy, destroy, choice, oi, air, care, hair, where, air, ear, here, peer, ear, are, start, car, heart, or, store, floor, or, sure, pure, lure, In standard MEL banks, these sounds are only used standalone for crossfading, so there are only recordings of these sounds by themselves. It is okay to also record and use them like VV if you want. For example, recording O as Thanks for following along. In the next video, we'll be recording a standard MEL English voice bank together. The voice bank we record will be available for download in the description of the next video, so you can download it to reference while you're recording your own voice bank. See you next time.